What if I told you that you could start a construction business with $0 in your pocket? Sounds impossible, right? But guess what? Thousands of people are doing it every year. The construction industry is worth over $2 trillion in the US alone, and there's a huge demand for skilled workers and contractors. So, if you've got the skills or the drive, I'm going to show you exactly how to start a construction business from scratch without a single penny up front. Before we dive into the step-by-step game plan, let's talk about why construction is one of the best industries to start a business in, especially if you're low on cash. Massive demand. The U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics predicts over 200,000 new construction jobs opening yearly. From home renovations to commercial builds, there's work everywhere. Low competition for small contractors. Many big firms dominate large projects, but smaller jobs, like home repairs, renovations, and subcontracting, are wide open for new players. Fast cash flow. Unlike many businesses where you wait months to get paid, in construction you can start earning money within days of landing a job. Alright, now that you see the opportunity, let's get into the step-by-step process of how you can start a construction business without spending a dime. Here's the first secret. You don't need a company or expensive equipment to start making money in construction. Instead, start as a freelancer or a subcontractor. Freelance gigs. Offer your services for basic repairs, painting, drywall, or handyman work, things you can do with minimal tools. Subcontracting. Partner with existing contractors. Many general contractors need extra hands and will pay you per project. No upfront costs on your end. Websites like Thumbtack, Angie, and Craigslist are gold mines for finding quick construction gigs. Now, once you've got some work flowing in, it's time to level up. A lot of people think you need thousands of dollars to get licensed and insured. But here's the hack. Many states allow you to start with a handyman license or a subcontractor role, which costs little to nothing. In many states, a handyman business can operate legally without a contractor's license if you stay under a specific job cost, like $500 to $5,000 per job. Subcontractors work under a licensed general contractor, meaning you don't need a license of your own right away. Check your local licensing laws, because in some places you can get started for free or with a super low cost. Another big myth? That you need expensive tools and equipment. Wrong. There are 3 smart ways to get access to tools without spending money. 1. Rent from Home Depot or Lowe's. They have affordable daily rentals. 2. Borrow from other contractors. Many are happy to rent their tools out for cheap. 3. Partner with a construction crew. Offer your labor in exchange for using their tools. No need to drop thousands on tools. Just be resourceful. Most new construction businesses fail because they don't know how to get clients. Here's how you can start getting jobs fast without spending a dime on advertising. Network with realtors and property managers. They constantly need repairs and renovations. Join local Facebook groups and Nextdoor. Homeowners post repair and renovation requests. Daily, use word of mouth and referrals. Ask friends, family, and past clients to recommend you. The key here, let people know what you do and the jobs will come. Once you've got steady work, it's time to level up and start taking bigger projects. But how do you do that with no money? Simple. Use other people's money. Down payments from clients. Many contractors ask for a 50% deposit before starting a project. That money can fund materials and labor. Vendor credit accounts. Some suppliers will let you buy materials on credit and pay later. Small business grants and loans. Many cities offer grants for minority, veteran, or new business owners in construction. Boom! Now you're not just working in construction, you own a business in construction. So let's recap the steps to starting a construction business with no money. 1. Start as a freelancer or subcontractor. 2. Get a handyman license or a subcontractor role, low cost or free. 3. Use rental tools, borrowed equipment, or work with a crew. 4. Find clients through networking, Facebook groups, and referrals. 5. Scale up with client deposits, vendor credit, and small business grants. Now it's your turn. Drop a comment below. What type of construction work are you interested in? Also, check out my next video where I'll show you how to land high-paying contracts even as a beginner.